Dear students, today we will learn about tenses. First of all, we will know about its origin. The word tense has been derived from Latin word tempus, which means time. टेंस शब्द लेटिन भाषा के टेम्पस शब्द से लिया गया है, जिसका अर्थ टाइम होता है। इसका अर्थ है कि टेंस जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं हमें टाइम की जानकारी देता है या टाइम से इसका रिलेशन है। नाउ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ टेंस: अ टेंस इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विच इंडिकेट्स द टाइम ऑफ एन एक्शन। एक टेंस वर्ब की वो फॉर्म है जो हमें किसी एक्शन के टाइम की जानकारी देता है, यानी कि ये एक्शन किस टाइम हुआ, और वो जो हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली वही इन्फॉर्मेशन देने वाला जो चीज़ है वो टेंस है। नाउ द काइंड्स ऑफ टेंसेस: देयर आर थ्री मेन टेंसेस। फर्स्ट प्रेजेंट टेंस, सेकंड पास्ट टेंस, थर्ड इज फ्यूचर टेंस. Each of these three main tenses have four parts. First part of each tense is simple or indefinite part. Second is known as continuous or progressive. Third is perfect. Fourth is perfect continuous. Now we can understand these three tenses with four parts of each tense with the help of this diagram. First we write tenses, then we divide it into three parts with the help of this diagram: present, past and future. First, present. Present indefinite. Present indefinite is the first part of present tense. Here I have written the helping verb and verb of each part of each tense because helping verb and main verb is the main point which can make us understand any part of a tense, or we can say helping verb or main verb is the main point which make us differentiate one part of a tense from the other part. So let us start with present indefinite. Helping verb present indefinite, do or does. मीन्स डू और डज हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होते हैं उसमें, एंड मेन वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. सेकंड प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज, एम और आर, मेन वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस आई एन जी. मीन्स वी एड फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस आई एन जी विद इज एम आर, देन इट बिकम्स प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, helping verbs are has or have, and we use third form of verb with has or have. Next, fourth part is present perfect continuous tense. Helping verb has, have, and we add been with the helping verbs to make it present perfect continuous, and main verb is used in a ing form, and ing is always used with first form of verb. Okay, now it's past, second tense, past tense. First part is past indefinite. We use helping verb as did. We use did in interrogative, negative and interrogative negative sentences, but in affirmative sentence we do not use did, we use only second form of verb. And when we are using second form, then there is no did, and when there is a did helping verb in sentence, then we use first form of verb. Now second part, past continuous tense. Helping verb was or were, and main verb is in the form of ing form. If we are writing helping verb was or were and verb is in ing form, then definitely it is past continuous tense. Third is past perfect tense. We use helping verb had and main verb third form of verb, then it becomes past perfect. In past perfect, mostly two activities are shown or displayed. First activity has been completed, then the second activity took place, then it becomes past tense. And in first activity which has been completed in past, then it is used head plus third, and in second activity we use only second form of verb. Next, fourth part is past perfect continuous tense. In past perfect continuous tense, we use helping verb had and we add been with it, and main verb is in ing form. And we also use since or for, and we add a time, definite or indefinite time, in past perfect continuous tense. Next is future tense. Future tense, helping verb shall or will and first form of verb in simple future tense. Future continuous tense, shall and will helping verbs, and we also add be, and with be main verb is first form of plus ing. If we add be and ing form, then it is future continuous. Future perfect, if we add have with will or shall, then it becomes future perfect tense. And after have, we mostly use third form of verb. Future perfect continuous tense, will and shall plus have plus been and main verb in the form of first form of verb plus ing.